You know, every great discovery, every big idea, it doesn't start with an answer. It starts with a question. Today, we're diving into how your own curiosity is literally the key to unlocking an incredible journey, your very own quest for truth. I mean, think about it. You see them every single day, but have you ever really stopped and wondered how does something so tiny hold the entire blueprint for something so huge and complex? That simple little question, that's the spark that can start everything. Or hey, maybe you're more into the digital world. How in the world does a team of people take a simple idea and turn it into this massive, interactive universe that you can get lost in for hours? That same curiosity, that how do they do that feeling, is an equally powerful place to start. So what if these little, I wonder moments aren't just random thoughts? What if they're actually invitations? Invitations to a quest for real knowledge and understanding. A quest where you are the hero. Okay, so every good quest needs the right tools, right? For a journey to find the truth, your map and your compass is something we call research. It's basically the framework you use to navigate the huge, sometimes confusing world of information out there. So let's kind of blow up our old idea of what research even is. This isn't just about a quick Google search to win an argument with a friend. No, real research is, as you see here, the process of seeking truth with purpose. It's an intentional, focused hunt for actual answers. And this whole process really boils down to three simple steps. First, you ask a thoughtful question. Second, you go look for answers in reliable, trustworthy places. And third, you organize and share what you find. But let's really focus on that first step, because honestly, it is absolutely crucial. And that's because, and this is so important, not all questions are created equal. A really powerful question is like a master key. It can unlock doors that a weak, fuzzy question can't even find. So learning how to craft that key, that is the most important skill for any quest. For example, look at this. A weak question like, what is the Bible, is just, well, it's way too broad. Where would you even start? But a strong question gets super specific. How was the Bible written and preserved over time? Now that's a question that launches a real investigation. It gives you a clear path to follow. Okay, here's another one. Asking, dogs? Isn't even really a question, is it? It's just a topic. But look at the strong version. What are the top 3 ways dogs help people with anxiety? See how focused that is? It's specific, you can actually look for those top 3 ways, and it's something you can genuinely research. All right, one last one to really drive this home. Volcanoes is going to get you a million random facts that don't connect. But asking, what causes volcanoes to erupt? And how are eruptions predicted? Well, that leads you straight to science, to geology, to a real deep understanding. The big takeaway here is that strong questions dig way deeper. Now, I know this might all sound like just, theory, but it's not. Let's look at a real-world quest led by a 12-year-old named Kyra. Her story shows exactly how this works in real life. Her entire adventure started with this one single powerful question. It's not, tell me about dolphins. It's specific, it's focused, and it's just plain fascinating. Do dolphins have a language? This question became the master key for her whole journey. And check this out. She totally followed the research steps we just talked about. She went to reliable sources, right? Books from the library, documentaries, and she even got brave and emailed actual experts. And through that hard work, she discovered something amazing. Dolphins do have a complex language of clicks and whistles, and they even have unique names for each other. How cool is that? And this is that crucial final step. She didn't just find all this cool stuff out and keep it to herself. She organized what she learned and then she shared it by building a website. She turned her one small question into a resource that could teach hundreds of other people. Kyra's story is awesome because it proves that anyone with a curious mind can go on this kind of quest. It doesn't matter how old you are. And yeah, that means you too. So what are you curious about? It's time to start thinking about your own question. I love this. It captures the whole idea so perfectly. Big discoveries don't start with big answers. They start with small questions that grow and dig and seek until truth shines. Your quest doesn't need some huge monumental starting point. It just needs one simple, honest question. And this idea, it's not new. It's ancient wisdom. The book of Proverbs tells us that wisdom isn't about already having all the answers. Nope, true wisdom is found in the seeking. A wise person is always listening, always asking questions, always trying to learn more. And this method of teaching, it goes way back. For instance, Jesus would often respond to a person's question with, you guessed it, another question, or maybe a story. He was basically trying to get people to think for themselves, to dig a little deeper and arrive at a more profound truth on their own. Because at the end of the day, that's the real treasure you find on this quest. It's not just about collecting a bunch of facts. It's about building real wisdom. It's about taking that feeling of wonder and turning it into meaningful understanding. So here's a really powerful idea to hold on to. This whole process of asking and seeking and learning, it's not just an assignment for school. Many traditions teach that when we honestly chase after truth, we're actually moving closer to the source of all truth and all wisdom. But what's the point of all this knowledge, right? What good is it? Well, it's not just about being smart. True education, real wisdom, connects what we know in our heads to the values we hold in our hearts. Knowledge becomes powerful when it helps us make better choices that lead to integrity and real peace of mind. So, there you have it. You've got the method, you've got the master key. The only thing left to decide is which door you're going to open first. So, what are you wondering about? What truth are you ready to unlock? Your quest is waiting.